Scientific evidence of the mass killings and genocides of the 20th century reveals all these seemingly incomprehensible conflicts follow a strikingly simple pattern. Difficult life conditions make people insecure. In search for security, individuals seek the comfort of a group. The group looks for deliverance of their problems. Unhealed wounds of the past can lead them to scapegoat another group. Those who are the loudest in scapegoating another group often become the group's leaders. The leader creates a vision of a better life and presents the other group as the main obstacle to its fulfillment. The scapegoat is devalued more and more, leading to acts of violence. Hurting others make people feel bad or morally wrong. To feel better, they justify their actions by changing their moral beliefs. The more witnesses to all this remain passive, the more the perpetrators are affirmed in following their path. Hostility and violence increase. If war breaks out on top of this, it may lead to genocide. To counteract this continuum of destruction, trauma must be healed, as unhealed wounds create danger of the repetition of violence.